Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aika and thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, then consider subscribing. I upload a lot of luxury unboxing videos, a little bit of beauty and very little of lifestyle, but I'd like to improve in 2019, upload more and create a lot more interesting content for you. Today I have 3 Gucci unboxings for you guys and I can't wait to share them with you. Also, everything was 50% off. I'm back in Kazakhstan and every summer and every winter they make this crazy 50% discounts. And that's just insane because Gucci never goes on sale anymore. So I guess we're just lucky living here. It belongs to Saks Fifth Avenue and they usually do some sales, and that includes Gucci as well as many other brands such as Fendi, Givenchy, Balmain, Balenciaga, etc. But I picked up some things from Gucci. The very first item that I want to show you is in this bag. And it's a pair of shoes. I wanted to get this last summer, but I couldn't because I picked up some other shoes and it was just too much. And this item is actually on my wish list. And what I got are this Gucci loafers or Gucci mules with no fur, because I have the ones with fur and now I wanted a pair for summer and I picked up this ones. These are from the summer 2018 collection, but I love them a lot because of the color combination. It has this beige and black and a little bit of red, so they will go with literally anything, and I'm super glad I got them. And the sale was insane. Again, it was 50% off. So yeah, I'm very happy and very excited about this purchase, and I can't wait for spring to arrive and finally wear these loafers. They also come with this pretty dust bags and they have this Gucci logos on them, which is something different. The other 2 items are ready to wear pieces and they are in this giant Gucci bag. Anyway, let's just open it and see what I got inside. The first item is right here and it is, ta-da! My new, sorry, it makes so much noise. It's my new Gucci skirt and I absolutely love it. I love the colors. It has the blue and the red and a little bit of gray. And what I love the most is this Gucci logo embroidery in gold. Also, the length is very nice. This skirt goes up until my knees. You probably can't see that, maybe if I move. This is basically the length of it, and here is my knee. So yeah, okay, so I'm back with my skirt. And also I love this is it a tiger? I think it's a tiger, but I love this tiger buttons on it and it's just so gorgeous. This is my first designer skirt. And my mom said that every woman should have one skirt like this in her collection, and I think it is a very classy and very iconic style. And my essay actually said that that this skirt was on the runway show. I'm not sure if that's true, but it is still so pretty and I'm so in love. And the last item that I've picked up is, ta-da! It's in this huge case, and ready? It is my new Gucci coat. It is the most classic Gucci coat that you can find. It has the original GG letter buttons right here. Okay, can you see that? And on the sleeve as well, it looks very beautiful. And also, I really love the color of this jacket. It has a little bit of velvet on the neck, but the rest of it is 100% wool, and it's just so pretty. Let me try this for you, so I'll be right back. Okay, this is how it looks. I think this one was the Italian size 42, if I'm not mistaken. It has two little pockets, and these buttons are just so pretty. I'm gonna hide the tag. It's so big and annoying. What do you think? Oh my god, I'm so in love. And I love this velvet part as well. Looks very classy. And the length is pretty much the same as my skirt. I know all of these items are very expensive, but all of them were 50% off. And also, these are very classic pieces in my opinion. And I know I'll be able to wear them for many years and they will never go out of style. So I'm very happy. What do you think about them, guys? Please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's it for my today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.